married. Our Alucoworld factory has collected more material and more stock aluminum composite panels for you. So I will take you to visit our factory online and take you to see our all different specifications of our Alucoworld aluminum composite panels. Then at that moment, I will give you online sale discount. That's mean on sale discount will maximum till 30% discount. So the factory live show is happened on 2 p.m. of 14th October. Please remember our factory live show time. The time is at 2 p.m. of 14th October. So I will invite you come to my Facebook live room at that moment. See you at that moment. Thank you.